Welcome back to Ken & Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing the repair we made on this Saeco Odea. Basically we had a problem with the power switch. This little guy over here is bad and we had to replace it. It sits right behind this button. And now you can see that the machine is turned on. Let me just turn it a little bit so you can see. So this green light over here means it's on and it's ready to go. I'm just gonna try to turn it off and then turn it back on, and it's ready to go, so no problems with the power switch. And now we're gonna pull a shot. We also descaled this machine to help reduce any calcium buildups in the system. Just gonna press this little button over here. I believe we're out of beans. That's a good practice. Okay, let's just put some beans inside the machine. We're good to go. And just this over here. Try again. That was pre-brewing. Wonderful. It's a great shot of espresso. Looks great. Tastes great. So thank you for watching, and thank you for repairing with Ken & Coffee.